How many laps are we going to go on this derby? Oh, we're just going to go straight on, head on.
Oh, did they seize it?
Head on, demolition.
Yep.
Let's count these kids down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Well, that was fun until it wasn't.
Back up, Bubby!
Oh,
I don't think Harper can go anywhere. Someone's burnt up.
I just don't have the bandwidth in my brain to be able to comprehend what's going on out there. Is anybody else?
Go, Bubby, go!
Just head-on collisions. Just kids with
Because the other one didn't want to go. The other one
let's
sucks
see how
ass
fast
at
we
turning.
can settle about 20 yards apart and go right after each other.
Take him, Bub. Drive like your dad. Whoa, he almost took out B's leg. I don't know, catch fire
I
again.
think a few of those things have been modified. I believe. I'm not accusing anybody. I just believe I've seen 2 of them that'll do wheelies. One of them that the suspension rocks on it when he hits the gas.
Is it done?
Or if we're losing bumpers on these little power wheels, we might be a little crazy. I think. Kids going home with concussions. Kids popping wheelies. See what I meant? That it was starting to get a little slow, so you guys could go grab something to eat, something to drink.
Emmett's gonna run you over. Find another kid. No, you're fine. If you gotta go get a kid, go get him. Bobby, get out of there. Go get Easton.
Well, if this is driver's training, we're not doing our part. But if this is just for fun, let them have it. All
All right, here's who we've got. Here's our first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Everybody gets a trophy. Trey, here's who I need. Hayden Haroon, first place this evening, getting as big a trophies as all the other drivers. Second place, Willow Myers. Third place, Hale Emlander. Fourth place, Emmett Trollard. And fifth place, Emmett Price. Put your hands together, hand them all out trophies.